Time is so important to me as a retoucher because time is money. It is for photographers too. The more time you're doing tedious work in Photoshop, the less time you're being creative. I started making solutions to try to reduce the amount of time and pain, make them for myself as things that would save me time, but also a really, really important thing is accessibility. That's exactly what these tools do. They're panels in Photoshop that give you access to basically high-end retouching procedures with all of the right settings and buttons that you need to use to do the same things I do every day manually. I just feel like more photographers and retouchers need to have access to the techniques that I find to be the most powerful in Photoshop. It's all about shaving off time, because time is money for me in my work, time is money for photographers. Access panels are available for the first time at proedu.com.